Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use a fake camera on Discord, Zoom, and other apps using OBS Virtual Camera. This is a great way to customize what appears on your video feed during calls, whether you want to display a static image, share your screen, or use any other creative setup. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once it's launched, navigate to the Scenes panel and click the plus icon to create a new scene. Enter a name for your scene, something like Virtual Camera works perfectly, then click OK. This scene will serve as the foundation for your fake camera setup, so naming it something descriptive helps you keep things organized if you plan to create multiple virtual camera configurations later. Next, in the bottom left area of your screen, navigate to the Sources section. Click the plus icon to add a new source. From the menu that appears, select Image if you want to display a static picture. Alternatively, you can also use Video Capture Device, Display Capture, or Window Capture depending on what you want to show on your virtual camera. Each option gives you different capabilities, so choose the one that best fits your needs. After making your selection, click OK to proceed. Now, on the right side of the window, click Browse to locate the image or background you want to use as your fake camera feed. Navigate through your folders, select the file you want, then click Open. This will load your chosen image into OBS and prepare it for display. Once your image is loaded, click OK to confirm your selection. At this point, you might notice that your image doesn't fit the frame perfectly. If you need to adjust the size or position, simply resize it by dragging the corners of the image within the preview window. This ensures your fake camera feed looks exactly how you want it before you start using it in other applications. When everything looks good, locate the right panel in OBS and click Start Virtual Camera. This activates the virtual camera feature and makes it available for use in other apps like Discord, Zoom, or any video conferencing platform. OBS will now be broadcasting whatever is in your scene as a virtual webcam feed. Now open the app where you want to use the virtual camera. For instance, go to your Discord app, Zoom, or any other application you prefer. Once you're in the app, navigate to the settings. In Discord, you'll find this by clicking the gear icon or user settings located in the bottom left corner of your screen. In the left panel of the settings menu, click Voice and Video. This section controls all your audio and video input settings. Scroll down until you find the camera section. Below it, click the drop-down menu and select OBS Virtual Camera from the list of available cameras. This tells the app to use OBS as your video source instead of your regular webcam. Finally, click Test Video to enable and preview your OBS Virtual Camera. You should now see your custom image or whatever source you configured appearing as your camera feed. You've successfully set up a fake camera using OBS Virtual Camera, and you can now use it across any app that supports camera input. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.